Hello and welcome to Mr. Walton's physics lessons. In today's lesson we'll be learning about the wave equation from the waves topic of GCSE Combined Science and GCSE Physics. By the end of the lesson you should be able to use the wave equation to calculate a wave's speed, frequency and wavelength. From the previous lesson you should be able to label the amplitude and wavelength of a wave. The amplitude is the maximum displacement of the wave from its undisturbed position. And the wavelength is the distance from the peak of one wave to the peak of the next. Frequency is the number of waves passing a point every second, measured in hertz. This is calculated using the formula: frequency equals the number of waves, divided by the time taken. Just like calculating the speed of any moving object, the speed of a wave can be found by measuring the distance traveled, using a meter rule or measuring tape, and the time taken, using a stop clock. These values can then be used to calculate speed by dividing the distance traveled by the time taken. The wave equation is an alternative way of calculating the wave speed or velocity. In this case, the wave speed is equal to the frequency multiplied by the wavelength, or v equals f times lambda, where speed is measured in meters per second, frequency is measured in hertz, and wavelength is measured in meters. Some students like to use a triangle to help with rearranging formula. So starting with v equals f times lambda, the v in the triangle is covered to get the correct formula for velocity. Let's try an example question. Calculate the speed of a sound wave from John's guitar if it has a frequency of 256 Hz and a wavelength of 1.3 meters. Pause the lesson and restart it when you're ready to check your answer. Wave speed, or velocity, equals frequency times wavelength. 256 times 1.3, giving the speed of sound as 333 meters per second, to three significant figures. To find the wavelength, cover up lambda in the triangle. This gives wavelength equals wave speed divided by frequency. Example 2. If waves traveling at a speed of 8.4 meters per second have a frequency of 12 Hz, what is the wavelength? Pause the lesson and restart it when you're ready to check your answer. Wavelength equals speed divided by frequency. 8.4 divided by 12, giving a wavelength of 0.7 meters. To find the frequency in the wave equation, cover up the f. This gives frequency equals speed divided by wavelength. Example 3. A tuning fork produces a sound of wavelength 64 centimeters. If the waves travel at 330 meters per second, what is the frequency of the tuning fork? Be careful with this because the wavelength is given in centimeters. Pause the lesson and restart it when you're ready to check your answer. Frequency is speed divided by wavelength. 330 divided by 0.64, because 64 centimeters is 0.64 meters. So the frequency of the tuning fork is 516 Hz. If you found this lesson useful, please give it a like and subscribe to see future lessons. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.